What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift back at it again with another banger video. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, we're finally taking the one and only lorSwitchy mobile through the trenches. If y'all don't already know, this RT is not regular. This RT is Burble tune. So this should be an interesting video. It's time to wake up the hood, man. We putting our shiesties on. I was like, a lot of people recommended this video, so I was like, you know what? Let me get out of bed, make this video real quick. I'm gonna do a quick little 10 to 15 minute POV through the hood in my Burble tune RT. So we gonna hurry up and get started because it is cold outside and windy. I apologize if you hear wind noises, but make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned until the end, man, because a lot of y'all just watch like 3-4 minutes of the POVs and y'all don't really stay tapped into the end of the videos. Let's get to it. Let me give y'all a little cold start real quick. Cold start action. We gonna get started, man. Stay tuned until the end. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and let's take this lorSwitchy mobile through the trenches. All right, y'all, let's start her up real quick, man. You already know, big 5.7, big RT. Yeah, a lot of y'all like that. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing in this video, like I said before, just 10 to 15 minutes of me driving. We're not gonna go advanced burbles. We're only gonna go regular burbles. So not the flames, just the regular. Y'all gonna hear it, man. It's gonna be interesting. I ain't gonna lie. The burbles sound good and scary at the same time. For those who are wondering what tune I got Underground Tuning. So their Instagram is like Underground Tuning USA or something like that. If you don't follow my Instagram, make sure you go follow that, lorShift. I'm gonna put it up right here so you can see updates of my car and updates of the tune and all that, videos and pictures and stuff like that. So make sure y'all go follow that before we get started. But let's get to it, y'all. Windows are gonna be down. We are gonna be in track mode. You already know the drill, man. Track mode is the only mode to be in. Hold on, bear with me. If y'all ain't heard the switchy yet, y'all gotta stay tuned until the end of the video, man. The switchy sounds crazy. I'm about to show y'all in a second once I make this left. This shit sounds crazy, bro. Y'all won't even believe it. Here we go, y'all. Let's get it, man. lorSwitchy is in the building. Oh, we got a cop. He about to bust a Yui. Damn, already we got police in the video, bro. What the hell? Already, y'all. Look, another one. They hear the switchy, they coming outside. Yo, what's going on, bro? These cops is out. Oh well, I'm not gonna stop the video no time soon, yo. We just getting started. I want y'all to see everything that's going on, but as y'all can see, police are already passing me. This tune sounds crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. If y'all still tapped in with this video, man, go down to the comment section below and give me any kind of video suggestions or recommendations y'all think I should make. And I got y'all. I got the Burble tune. Feel me? I got the advanced Burble, the flames and all that. Feel me? Let me know what y'all want to see. Highway POVs. I got the cargo camera. A lot of people ask me how I got that. You do have to have the Z Automotive Taser in order to get the cargo cam. And that stays on like that. You could drive around like this, see the flames come out the back and all that. So if y'all watch my first POV drive video with the flames, y'all should know that. You gotta have the Z Automotive Taser for that. But anyways, we're gonna get started. Well, I'm trying to get started if we, if the light turns green. I'm not gonna do too much talking though after this, I promise y'all. I just wanted to tell y'all a couple things. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. We got a couple of them right here. Damn, they all outside. lorSwitchy. Yo, they finna bust a U-turn, bruh. in a city now. I definitely gotta bust a U-turn. Can I go right here? We're not doing a city POV yet. Not yet, y'all. Let me know if y'all want that, though. We ain't doing a city yet. Damn, bro. Only thing I hate about this city, bro, is these damn potholes, bro. Left. I'm gonna wait for him to go. Actually, nah, we gonna go straight. We gonna go straight. We gonna go straight. Nah, we gonna make a left. Make a turn right here. Oh, come on, young bull. Don't get hit. Pay attention, man. I apologize if you guys can hear my brakes. Look at those guys right there. They hyping me up. Look at them. Yeah, y'all, what I was gonna say was I apologize if you can hear my brakes. I know they sound crazy right now. Yo, this shit sound crazy, bro. Damn, my brakes are bad. We gonna make it right. We gonna go up this way. Nah, we gonna go straight. We gonna go straight. Always make sure you look both ways, no matter what. For those who don't know. For those young guys who are watching this, and for those who are not driving yet, make sure you look both ways every time. Even though I'm just turning right, feel me, you gotta still make sure you look left and right, feel me, because anybody could be coming up. It's like, nah, I'm just chatting, yo, I'm just chatting. But nah, for real. Yeah, bro, I need brakes ASAP. Oh my goodness. ASAP, no Rocky. I need rotors too, bro. I just hear the grinding. Like, it's bad. I feel the grinding, bro. This shit's bad. Gonna make a left turn right here. I apologize for all this traffic, guys. Now, the traffic is what's making it boring, for real, because I could have went straight, but I'm gonna save that for the city POV drive. Feel me? All this open road and stuff. He fried. What the hell? make a left. We're gonna make a left. Bust the lefty right here, man. Give y'all one more pull in automatic. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Shit sound crazy, bro. Shit sound crazy. Shit sound crazy, bro. Bro, I swear these lights take up most of the time of the video, bro. I swear, bro. Is that a tricloak? Oh my goodness. Oh, pay attention, my guy. Pay attention, my guy. All right, y'all, we gonna end the video here, man. I'm tired of stopping at these lights, bro, so I can't really get no footage like that. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And once again, if you are still watching this video, I need y'all to comment teeny in all caps, so I know that you a thorough one and you've been watching the video all the way through. But nah, for real, y'all. Let me know if you guys want any more POV drives with the switchy. Give me any recommendations, any videos you guys want to see. And I'll be sure to make those. But we go on the video here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's lorShift, or lorSwitch, as I should say. And we out.